Hello and welcome also to a flip through of this book here that I bought. Last summer I got the idea of creating an activity book, a coloring book for kids, and I started on the project. And these are some of the drawings that I did for the project. These are from a Monday Doodle. This is something for drawing. This is a different thing. Okay, so here also a couple of things, and you can tell that they all have a maritime theme here. So my plan is to call the book Swash, as in the name of how waves flush up on the shore, and have the activities following the harbor, for instance, following the oceans. But I thought I maybe should go and research a bit, and this book here caught my eye, and I figured that it could be interesting to look at it for inspiration. Not that I want to plank or steal a concept from this book, but just let myself be inspired by it. I'm pretty sure that the people who made this book, Jason Ford, has been inspired by someone else. That's how it is. So I'm actually not going to use and draw in this book. I'm probably going to give it to my nieces or my wife's nieces. They're going to have enjoyed much more than I will. Yes, but I really want to create a book like this because I think it's so funny to come up with different things for kids to enjoy, and adults too. Let's see. The super book for superheroes: draw, color, create, and save the world from bad guys. Includes stickers, pop-out masks, and superhero figure. And this is a sticker. That's a cool little feature. Your superhero name you could fill in here. I wonder what the publisher are. Let's see here. Lawrence King. It's from 2013. Yeah. Okay. Let me just see if it's in focus up here. Oops, there goes my mic. Let's check it out. Okay, so you want to draw superheroes doing things like flying and fighting supervillains. All you need are some pencils and pens and your very own superpower, your imagination. And I've actually already had this idea to have a character to introduce the book as he does here, because I think that's the entrance to the children to have some sort of character. So you're on a journey together with someone. Let's draw a superhero. Bit of construction drawing, actually, for kids. I love the handwriting here. And also that he presents the assignment here and then you draw over here. And not afraid of using his own drawing skills is also pretty cool. How you draw superhero running. Superheroes can draw very fast, draw the different things that this hero is faster than. Yeah, that's really good for imagination. Very heavy objects you have to draw here. Speeding object that our hero has stuck. And this is for shortening. Interesting. So the take is also a bit to induce some sort of idea about how to draw comics. How to draw someone who's invincible. Force fields. Ah, that's cool. That is really cool, actually. It's so inspiring, this. Here's one flying towards you. Okay, so there's also this recurring thing with drawing a figure that does several things. That's a good touch. What's the superhero thinking about? What's the mad scientist thinking about? We have very different thoughts, I guess. Ah, grid to cover the figure. That's also really good. The paper here is really nice. So I guess I also have to think about paper quality if I would like people to draw in it with several materials, such as watercolors. I've also thought about. It's important to me that the book will be just as fun as this book seems to be. Swamp creature. Here comes something funny. A mask, I'm guessing. Pop out superhero mask. Design and create your own masks. They are pre-cut, just pop them off the page. Attach string or elastic to these holes and fasten. Decorate your masks by adding color, letters, symbols, or extra pieces like wings, flames, antenna, etc. Oh, this is a brilliant feature. Look at that. Wow. So I'm guessing already here this could be a challenge to find someone who does this, but I guess also maybe someone specializes in it. It's a fantastic thing. And look here, pop-up superhero also. Little beautifully drawn manuals here, instructions, which are also useful, I think, to be inspired of. And one thing I certainly will have is a piece where you should be imagining how a mermaid looks like. And just like here, I could maybe add a few touches of the mermaid, and then people have to complete their own. Or maybe it should be that they simply design their whole own mermaid, and I just do maybe a bit of environmental sketches in there. What's in each room? Oh, that's good. This could be in a ship, for instance, if I drew a ship and then the ship has different rooms. That wouldn't be stealing a concept, it's just inspiration. Utility belt. Oh, that's amazing. A spare suit. You never know. Draw the things you would have in your belt. God, this is really good. Kids would love this. Here we have to tell if it's a villain or if it's a hero. Wow. I guess this is also certainly a book for adults, because it's just so funny. Here's how you can send secret messages. Here we have the stickers. And this is also funny because I have this idea about having a spread where you have to design some tattoos. Actually, I can maybe show it to you. And And also it could be fun to have some stickers. So this is my idea of having like this sailor's arm, you know, stereotypical, with stickers all over it. And it could be nice with a spread where kids have to design their own tattoo, I think. That man is hovering. Is he flying? Is he a flying robot in disguise? Let's take a close look with the X-ray vision. Cool. Dinosaurs. Here are some ideas for you to draw to complete the prehistoric scene. Also very good thinking here. So some kids need a bit of help to just get into the imaginative things. So, and then they usually are just off with all kinds of things. My very optimistic plan or wish was to create my activity book this summer, this coming summer, but I can see now that if I have to make a book that excels as this one, which I really want to, I think I have at least a year of work to complete it. Subaquatic headquarter. Draw a map of your neighborhood. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Ooh, a little sticker. Or is it the tattoo? I'm not sure. I think this is the tattoo. Create your own superhero gloves. Draw super flying machine. It could be funny for the book to have a character that goes through a whole day, so he has like on a travel. Here it's kind of a bit random. Draw more flying machines. This is like the monster page. It fits quite well. This is the ending of the book, where you create this huge swamp creature. Final spread here. And you have to decode a message here. Wonder what that says. Code of conduct. Yeah, let's acknowledge it. Oh, we have many people here that he acknowledge. Yeah, several people have gone into creating this book. So cool. Let's just read about Jason Ford. Jason Ford is a British illustrator whose approach has been heavily influenced by childhood diet of Tintin and Marvel comics and a continuing love of French and Belgian bande dessinées. His work has been commissioned by the Royal Mail, American Airlines, New York Times, Penguin Books, and The Guardian. Wow. He lives and works in a secret headquarters somewhere in the metropolis of London. Yeah, that was a flip through of this book. So if you're interested, you can of course go and buy it. I think you should. It's pretty awesome. I'll give it to one of my nieces or my wife's nieces. Thank you for tuning in, and till next time, have fun drawing.